other disturbance was reported at the abandoned slaughterhouse outside of Hills Prairie. Deputies responded to a caller reporting loud noises from the dilapidated facility after midnight. Police investigated the site and found evidence of trespassing and minor equipment theft, but suspect it is merely the work of local vandals. The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Nuit. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance to please come forward. The man believed to be responsible for multiple stranglings in East Texas is finally in custody tonight. Authorities followed a tip that led them.
Oh my God! What are they doing to me? I can use that. Hey, Connie! Over here! I know what this is. It might work on those doors. Maybe I can open those doors. This might lead to the others. Anna, it's me, Connie. I have to find the others. Connie! Stay quiet! I'm here. Look at all of this pretty blood. I think this is antiseptic. Should clean the wound. Why are they doing this to us?
You poor little thing! Oh.
Are they really gone? Why are you doing this to me?
These others around here ain't no understanding. I can help you.